Look at that, boys. Nothing but some fresh powder out there. And why? Because it's 102 degrees. It's extremely hot. So come winter, we'll be out here. But we are on the way to go pick up the new sand car. So stay tuned. We should be at the location in about 30 minutes. And I will show you guys more of the car. All right, guys. We are home, back in the garage. I apologize. So I got no footage there. Reason for it, the GoPro was in my pocket. And I guess I hit record, did not realize it. And well, it was dead by the time we got there to pick up this beautiful machine here. Okay, but now it's time for me to actually show you guys the car. Bam! Look at this thing, guys. You wanna know what a $250,000 car looks like? Well, this is what a $250,000 sand car looks like. Now, this thing, actually, you know what? Let me get out in the sun because you can't really see, I don't know if you can notice, you can't really see like the metallic that's even in the frame, not the paint, not the actual cover, the actual like frame itself. So let me take it off the battery tender and let's pull it out for you guys. I'll pop this open and show you guys what's going on here. And well, you know, I'll give you the specs on it and let you know everything. We just need to open this. Look at this carbon fiber. I mean, this stuff is beautiful, guys. This is a, I mean, these cars are just, you know, they're different. Hold on, let me make sure I don't scratch nothing. All right, get this out of the way. But these cars, they're just different, guys. I mean, it's incredible. Everything, the way, you know, everything is ran, and it's like, wow. All right, we'll start this up for you guys. Oh, right there. Woo. Look at the dash, guys. Oh, man. Oh man, there you go, guys. Look at that. So let me show you now. This, look at this. Look at the paint, the whole entire frame. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like it's like a metallic, like a black but metallic black. Look at this. I mean, this thing is incredible in the sunlight. The whole entire body is all clear broad, even the front right here. I mean, look at, you can see, I don't know if you can see that right there. See, that's clear broad. All the arms up here, clear broad. Here, see this, all clear broad. Even he's got where your feet like touch right here. See, all clear broad, clear broad. This whole thing, all of this, all clear broad. he literally has protected this entire car. I mean, it is hard to find a flaw on this thing, to be honest with you. I mean, it's crazy. So he's got, obviously, the KC lights up front, KC lights down here. This is, I'll show you the engine. Look at the paint real quick, just fresher. Look at the paint on this thing. Look at this carbon fiber, Chibin fiber as they would call it. I mean, the blue, everything on this thing. It says 35.5. This thing looks way bigger than 35.5. Looks huge. It is a 454 twin turbo. It has, here's the motor. Look at that thing. Ooh, baby. Look at that. That's just beauty right there. Reverse camera. It's got some chase lights back here. It has, obviously, 934s with an Albin's sequential 5-speed. And here's the interior. It's all got the whole Motec system. And what's cool is you can add the boost. So it's got a 3-stage boost. Low boost, mid boost, and I guess high boost is what you'd call it. Heated seats. It's got underglow, all blue lights underneath, inside, outside, and the whips. Race radio, light bar. You can kick the fan on if you would like. So say, I don't know, it's running hot and you want to leave it on a little bit. You can kick on just one, like this, or the other one, or both. Both fans running to let it cool down a little bit, which is awesome. You can kick on just the pump. Say you want to test to make sure the pump's working. Boom, you can see if the pump's working. Shut that off. The screen is a Motec screen. So this screen is a little pricey. Yeah, I'm sure it does a lot. I don't know too much about this, but this Motec screen is insanely expensive, and I haven't figured out why. I'm sure there is a reason for it. I haven't figured it out yet. Here's all the push buttons right here to the car. Right there, push there. Rockford Fosgate with a 12-inch sub, and this thing hits hard, guys. If I mean, it's hard. You can't, you know, in real life you can't really tell, but this thing, the stereo system in this, I turn it on, is incredible. It's got jet trim seats with obviously Tatum's name on it, and I believe this is like ostrich. It's got ostrich in here, ostrich like inside, ostrich up top over here. The helmet kit or car-to-car kit, 4 headsets here. Look at these mounts. Tatum, so I think Tatum, guys, and again, I don't know too much about Tatum. I've been looking into them, but this whole car is like literally Tatum everything. It's like a, you know, they've got Tatum. I mean, look at this. Tatum here. You know, I mean, look at this. Tatum here. So they must have just an amazing machine shop over there, because everything, I mean, look at Tatum. And I don't think they're going to buy someone else's stuff and put their name on it. I'm sure this is their stuff in-house. So I assume they got machine shops. I mean, look at Tatum. Look at that. Tatum. I mean, so if I had to guess, I'd probably say 90% of this car is literally built like with Tatum parts. I mean, besides, you know, the little parts like the All-Pro heads, it is an RHS block. And I mean, I think that's about it. You know, the dry sump system that's in it. It is just, it's beautiful. I like this radiator. Check this radiator out. So it's got both drains here at the bottom. Usually you got one here and one up there. These both come from the bottom, which is awesome. It's got its oil catch can. I mean, it's just, it's a beauty, guys. This is a beautiful car. And I know on camera it's going to be hard, and don't worry, you're going to be seeing us out in the desert, but the detail of, I don't know if whatever you want to call it, perfection is literally perfect on this. I mean, with the carbon fiber mirrors, no scratches. I mean, nothing on it. It is just, the guy that had it, his name is Corey, and he took really good care of this car. And you could tell he has a lot of nice things and appreciates what he has, and that's what we're looking for. So if you guys are new to the channel, we got this car over here that's in this garage. So we took this out of the bigger garage. This is a car that probably is 2-3 months old, but you know, I mean, and you guys know I don't like anything dirty, you know, so it's just, we don't like dirty things around here. We like it clean. And this car, well, I mean, look at the valve cover. Look at that. You know, some of you guys are thinking you're crazy. That's me, guys, you know. I mean, look at the color difference here. Look at the rust all this rust that's in here. Look at the radiator. I mean, this is just, it's a dirty car. I mean, that's it. To us, this thing, by the way, is getting a full paint job, brand new paint job on it. You know, and it's not, I'm not gonna say, I'll take it back, it's not dirty, it is just not up to, you know, our standards, where, like, we don't like how, you know, like, see this? See in there? And I know, you guys are like, you're crazy, that's gonna happen. You know, it is, but it can be cleaned up. I mean, so those are like little flaws, you know, that's just, you know, not up to the standards. So this thing, not sure, you know, what's going on with it, but once I know the panels get back, I'll show you guys what this car looks like. But it's supposed to look really nice, you know, with the new, brand new full body paint on it, you know, new tires. I mean, this thing, probably just sell it, because, you know, well, who's gonna want to drive it when you got this thing? I mean, look at this. That's crazy. But again, there's a big price difference, you know. This was $250,000. The other one was not, you know, it wasn't even close. So you got to kind of pick and choose, balance out what you want. Like, I'll go show you the car that's in this garage, the other car, which this one is not even close to that car that's in the third car garage or the Tatum car. This is a 427 LS7. It's got a regular transmission, not a sequential, just a 2D H pattern. It does have 934 CVs, but it's clean. It's a really clean car. You know, you can see here that, you know, well, I take it back. The frame, shocks, everything was clean, but the old, like, intake manifold, valve covers, you know, were nasty looking. Like, you know, this pulley, look at this. Well, that's a no-go. So we got some billet stuff coming in. That's not a pulley. You know, we got brackets here, changing the dash. You know, we got the new Holley display going in. What happened to the, yeah, okay, great. I'm gonna have to find that, but, oh, here it is, right there. So, you know, just to dress up the motor, some pretty stuff, you know, it looks good. Getting rid of all the wiring. There's a mess of wiring. We're putting the Switch Pro panel in right there. That's gonna be awesome. So we're literally have gotten rid of everything. And if you guys saw my last video of the Switch Pros, we depinned it and added wire, so it's literally perfect. It's gonna plug right into the screen right there. So these are, you know, this is a difference. These tires are only 33s. It just like makes this car look like a little, like a Tonka toy, like, you know, I mean, even the front tires. And I don't even know, you know, I've never even seen someone run these front tires out in the sand, but apparently I know all Funkos run them. I don't know how they work. I don't know if they're good. But, you know, this is not on any level of that car that is outside. The car that is outside is just, it's a whole nother animal with everything when it comes to suspension and power. I mean, this thing is, I think it said, the guy told us 1,600 horsepower, where, you know, the other car in there is only 1,100, and then the baby car in there is probably 600, you know, 6 to 650. So, and I have seen this car in Buttercup before purchasing it. I mean, he would literally, because I have a video, literally he would just go and then like hit the gas, just squeeze the throttle, and just wham, the thing does a wheelie. So I will get a ton of content, of course, for you guys on this thing. I'll mount a GoPro, you know, so you guys can look at the sky a lot. But yeah, guys, this is the new car that's going to be out there. So I gotta say, I mean, and I don't know if I've told you guys, but out of all Sanrails, Tatum cars are my favorite cars. Everything about them, the look, the design, the quality, the stuff, they really take pride in building these cars, you know. And yeah, I mean, they're expensive, you know. These cars, they've got Tatum cars that are over $300,000. To some of you guys, that is insane, that's crazy, that's stupid, whatever you want to call it. But when you, I guess, can afford it and have the money, I highly doubt, you know, anybody's going to give a shit what the person that says that's too expensive or that's stupid or why would you waste that money. If they're spending that, guys, it's not really a waste. It's sort of like they have the money, you know, so why, you know, I mean, if the point I'm trying to say, when you can afford that, that's like you shit on money basically. So if you can, when you can afford these $250,000 cars, they have a lot more money in the bank. So that's why they buy them. And also, I mean, this is pretty much the, you know, for Ferrari or Bugatti or Lamborghini of the desert. I mean, what else can you add on this thing? You know, I mean, it's got all the badass stuff. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Everything on this thing is just like, whoa. Well, there you have it, guys. The old Tatum girls back in the garage. Started getting a little warm outside, so we got the ACs on for her. But yeah, I gotta say, guys, it's a beautiful car, and I cannot wait to see this thing rip, you know, down the drags and through the hill, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will see it, obviously, because how can you miss it? So, but let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, and you know, for the people out there that are watching this, you know, I know $250,000 is stupid. Sure, you can comment down below too. You know, I can't stop you from commenting, but I mean, you know, there's the people, the desert people like me, and you know, all the other people that are really into it. To me, it's worth every penny. It's worth it. So I don't know, guys, everyone's got their own opinion. I guess it is what it is, but that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.